Good morning, fire and awayers. What are we off to today? Right now I'm just south of Dublin and I'm heading to what I hope is going to be a pretty interesting site. Very ancient, like many things in this part of the world. Should be some spectacular views. It's another gorgeous day. I'm still wearing my fetching Dayglow learner's vest. Open road stretching out ahead of me here. It's early, it's like 6:30 a.m. or a little after. Nobody else on the road, whole place to myself. Let's go. Those are some threatening looking clouds over there. It might rain. So we'll see. This is going to be a totally different experience come winter time. It's going to be rather cold, possibly snowy up this area. Hello little guys. Okay, we're getting close. Just another couple of kilometers here to the destination. I haven't actually been along this section of road before. Hold on just a second here. I thought I spotted something. Interesting. Woo! All right. This is more like it. I'm not gonna cut off this fire road. Not feeling quite that adventurous. I'm sure there are trails you could find out into the forest if you looked hard enough, but not today. All right. So, dead end. However, look at this. Oh, it's so tempting. I don't think my skill set is a match for this just yet, though. Yeah. Oh, that would be cool, though. If you've been enjoying the video so far, do me a favor. Please go ahead and hit thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Yeah, it really makes a difference, you know. Small channel like this, it's always pretty cool seeing a new subscriber. So if you'd like to follow along, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's telling me that I need to just walk along this road, and then it should be, if I cut up onto this hill to my left, I should find what I'm looking for. Oh my god, there's so many flies. Ah, so buggy. My map assures me that I'm heading in the right direction, but this looks little foreboding. I am deep in the woods now. Holy, this climb is way harder than I thought it was going to be. On the map, kind of suggested it was a easy 10-minute stroll to this place, but I've been climbing now for, I don't know, 35-40 minutes, and I'm not even there yet. Can't believe it. This thing is unreal. This is the Seefin Passage Tomb. If I'm doing my mathematics correctly, this thing's like 5,000 years old. There's the entrance. Poke my head in there in a minute. See what there is to be seen. Oh, it really is just kind of a passage through. There seems to be a light coming through the other end as well, but I didn't see an entrance. Could I even fit in here? I don't think I can. No. Maybe there's another way in. Let's go check it out. This is the point where I snapped my ankle on camera, so I really need to be careful. The layers of rock stacked on top of each other. This place is amazing. And the views from up here are just awe-inspiring. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for coming along to Seefin Passage Tomb here in the Wicklow Mountains. Got a little bit of dirt riding in, checked all the boxes. If you like this video, go ahead, please hit thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.